Welcome to Arduino TinkerCAD simulation series. In this video, you are going to learn about how to interface potentiometer with the Arduino Uno development board. Let's explore how to create a circuit and write a code for that using the AI. Go to TinkerCAD website and click on Create button, then select Circuits from the option. A TinkerCAD playground appears on the screen. Now it's a time to create some circuits. First thing first, let's change the project name to Potentiometer with Arduino and save the project. Now change the components list from basics to all and scroll down to reach breadboard section. Bring a breadboard small to the playground and place it as per your convenience. Now bring the Arduino Uno to the playground, rotate it using R key on the keyboard and then place it near to the breadboard. Let us connect the power rail connections from Arduino to breadboard as per the indications. This will help us to connect components on the breadboard easily. Now it is time to bring the potentiometer from the components library to playground and place it on the breadboard as shown on the screen. Understand that terminal 1 and terminal 2 are used for connecting the power supply like VCC and GND. Then a middle pin called Viper is used to read the potentiometer position using voltage divider principle. Let me connect the terminal 1 to VCC and terminal 2 to ground and then Viper pin to ADC pin of Arduino Uno R3. Now I will head towards the Perplexity Pro to generate Arduino code for this circuit with potentiometer connection. Writing a proper prompt and detailed description with context to the project work, the AI tools will generate almost correct codes. However, it is our responsibility to cross-verify everything once before using it directly. Go through the explanation and a detailed coding that AI tool has generated. If you feel anything to be updated as per your understanding, then feel free to converse with AI models. Once everything is clear, then copy the final code from AI tool and paste it in TinkerCAD simulation window. Then hit the simulation button and start simulating the potentiometer with Arduino circuit. Open the serial monitor to see Viper position results in ADC values and percentage. I believe you learned something new in this particular tutorial. Consider subscribing to our channel linked frequency and help us to grow in Arduino and TinkerCAD community. See you again in the next video. Until then, tune yourself to make a difference.